This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Gorgeous updated home situated on the 7th hole of Ford's Colony's Blue Heron Golf Course. Gracious open floor plan with pool and golf views throughout the main level. Primary suite on the main level with attached office and fully renovated spa-like bath featuring freestanding tub, dual vanities, and lovely tiled shower. Updated and bright kitchen features new stainless steel appliances and a fantastic matching mudroom space. Upstairs features an additional primary suite and another sizable bedroom, also with its own ensuite bath. Large bonus space above the 3-car garage. Incredible backyard with access from the primary, living room, kitchen and sizable screen porch. Amazing for entertaining with refurbished saltwater gunite pool, outdoor kitchen, wood-burning fireplace, outdoor lighting and additional matching pool house. For more information, review the details below.